In recent years, people have understood this, and that's why dream boards have become popular. A lot of people have dream boards and vision boards. I've been looking around some of the stands. A lot of them use visuals to help enhance the written word and the targets. The limitation very often with dream boards is there is no clarity. Words allow us to be very exact, very precise, very clear. We can give quantity, we can say how much, how many, by when, and it's difficult to do that in imagery. And it's the combination of the two, clarity for the conscious mind with the words, subconscious impact with the imagery. And by bringing the two together, it helps us to engage both our left and right brain. There's a lot of recent research in the brain showing how flexible the brain is. It's called neuroplasticity. When you set a goal, it literally stimulates the brain cells to make new connections, release new chemicals, produce new feelings and attitudes, which influence your behavior, which in turn influence your results. Setting the goal is key. Now, regardless of which part of the brain does which, because we don't need to get into the detail, the simple truth is we all think both logically and creatively, words and pictures. And it's when you find the balance between the two that you also find your effectiveness. If you look back throughout history, you will see some of the greatest minds that have ever walked the planet had this balance of logic and creativity. Leonardo da Vinci is probably one of the most famous examples. Equally brilliant with his right brain in paintings such as the Mona Lisa. Equally brilliant with his left brain, he was the man that invented technical drawing. When we bring the two together in a balanced way, it makes us very effective. And for the modern age in which we live, with so much fast change and pace and systems to learn, it really is a whole brain game. We need to be creative to find those opportunities. We need to be able to work with our logic so we can follow a plan, be effective in our actions, and deliver on what it is that we've seen.